Get into it. It is a limp.
What?
Why is my brain just not braining right now? Hello everyone, my name is Sandra and thank you so much for tuning in. All right, y'all, so 2 more of my mystery Ipsy bags came in and I am super freaking excited. I mean, granted, they don't really send it to you as a mystery because everything is outside the box.
Whoa.
Bag. And I just try to like really quickly put everything in the bag without looking at it. I have 2 little mystery Ipsy bags. I have 3 more. I feel a little embarrassed saying how many mystery Ipsy bags I've purchased. It is what it is. Let's get into these bags. I'm gonna start with the little one first and then get into the big one because the bigger ones, they seem to be a little bit more exciting because you get full size items. I love this texture. It's like woven, very pretty. It doesn't say Ipsy on it, which is the only thing I don't like, okay? You know I like my gang. The little zipper, that thing is sturdy, okay? It is not flimsy. I hate a flimsy zipper. It is one of the most frustrating things because then you have to be super delicate when you're zipping it. You have to be like, I could just go crazy. I could just go crazy with the zipper and it continues to work. The first thing is by Cake, Naturally Luxe Beauty, and it's a heavy cream. Shea butter and vanilla, deeply nourishing, totally to die for, intensely smoothing body butter balm. Try saying that really fast 5 times. Body butter balm, body butter.
Body butter balm, body butter balm, body butter balm, body butter balm, body butter.
Sounds like I'm making a beat. It's just a body butter by Cake. Very cute packaging. Love the color scheme. I love a soft pink, okay? Anytime you got like a pink, I am into it. This is a body butter without parabens and phthalates. We love a good safety seal. That lets me know nobody been in my stuff. Ooh, she thick. She thick. Oh my God. If it smells like what I think it smells like, bruh, oh my God, no wonder it's called Cake. It literally smells like vanilla cake. Oh my God. See, this is what I'm talking about. I like fragrances and scents that make me feel like I need to eat my face. And this smells absolutely delicious. It left my hand feeling a little bit sticky, but not so much where it's like, oh my God, my hands are sticky. I need to wash my hands. I like this. I'm gonna put it in the lineup for things that are gonna go into my purse because I'm not gonna use this as a body butter. It's not that much. And I like the scent so much that I wanna let it stretch out. So I'm gonna put this in my little pile for my hand creams. Don't know how I'm gonna get through all of these hand creams, but where there's a will, there's a way. The next thing that I'm pulling out of here, what is up with these mystery bags and body lotion hand creams? There's another hand cream. It's the Skylar Hydrating Body Lotion with hyaluronic acid. It's called Capri. Sparkling citrus sweets. No parabens, sulfates, or phthalates. This is what it looks like. It's just a little body lotion. Ooh, okay. Now that one has more of like a fresh scent, okay? It smells very fresh. I can smell a little bit of citrus, but it's not overpowering. I like it. Add it to the lineup. I have like 5 million things of hand lotion. Not even joking. I have 5 million. The next thing is in a nice little bubble wrap packet. It's by Araceli Aztec Eyes Con Agave. I think that's how you say it. Araceli. The packaging is really pretty. Like, you guys can't really see it that good. Well, actually you can see it a little bit. It's got like this really pretty design that's kind of like glossy and then the rest of it is matte. I think that is so pretty. It makes it look very luxe. It's called Sun and Cocoa. I'm wondering if this is a highlight and contour or if this is just like a little eyeshadow duo. I don't know. Ooh, it feels really good. So those are the swatches. I can't really see the lighter shade, a little sparkly, but you can't really see it. The matte is pretty nice. It seems like it will blend well. This is cute. Add it to my collection of stuff. The next thing in here is also bubble wrapped. All right, and the next thing is by Hip Dots. Let me clean it off. I got a little bit of that eyeshadow on there. Don't know what this is, and it is in the color Solstice. What do you guess? Is it a blush, highlights? What do you think? I think it's a blush. Put your guesses in. What do you think it is? And it's a blush. Hey, your girl is psychic. It is a blush. Now, this is more of like a peachy kind of color. I've never really worn peachy blushes before, so I'm not sure how that's gonna look on my skin. Put a little bit on the back. You can barely see it. Let me see if I can build it. It feels amazing. It's buildable, and it looks actually pretty good. Maybe it's my color, and I just didn't know it this whole time. Maybe peaches were what I was looking for. Hold up, let me see. Put a little bit right there, see what it do. I mean, I already had stuff on, so I can't really tell a difference. Maybe while I'm editing the video, I'll actually see the difference. That is actually really cute. I like that. And maybe peach is my color, and I just didn't know it this whole time. The last item in here is by Nuco. It's called Super Thick. It's called Super Thick. And it is a scalp serum for high. That thing don't say high. It says hair. Where did I get high? There's no I. Well, there is an I after the A. Brain, come on now. Work. I need you to work. I don't ask you to work that often. Right now, I need you to work. It is for hair density. So I'm guessing this is supposed to help thicken your hair. My hair is a little bit too thick. Not that I want a thinning cream. I will give it a shot. I don't know if it'll do anything because like I said, my hair is already pretty thick. Nice little applicator. This will probably do one treatment on my big old head. It'll just do one treatment on my big cranium. And that was everything in my cute little mystery Ipsy bag. They could have just put one of those body lotion hand creams. They didn't have to put two, but you know, beggars can't be, well, I paid for it, so I'm not really a beggar, am I? All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into the full size mystery items. Now, this bag is super cute as well. It has like kind of like this tweed pattern on it. Let's go ahead and see what it got inside though. What it got inside. The first thing I'm pulling out is by Kiss My, or is it Rowan? I don't know. I don't know if it's supposed to be Kiss My or Rowan. I don't know. It's by one of those names, and it is called Charlie. Don't know who Charlie is. Ooh, this is actually really freaking pretty. Bruh, get into this packaging. This is so freaking cute. It looks so lush and just, ooh. Now I'm guessing this is just like a liquid lipstick. Look at that. That is so pretty. I already have lip stuff on, so I don't know if this is gonna really show up. It has like a minty scent. This applicator is super freaking soft. And look at that doe foot. It's kind of like tilted back, but it is just super delicate and soft. Honestly, from here, you know, I'm blind. Well, actually, y'all might not know. I wear glasses, so I can't really see myself while I'm filming. That's why I gotta keep checking my teeth because you never know. There just might be some lipstick on my teeth and then I gotta refilm the whole video. The whole video. It feels good and the packaging is super cute. Love that. The next thing in my little bag is by Kinship. It is a vegan lip jelly mask and it's called Super Melt.
Actually, it's called Super Melt.
But you know, gotta add my little twang to it. It's Super Melt. And this is what it looks like. I love that iridescent label on it. That is so pretty. Get into the rainbow and kiss it. Let's see what this looks like. It's just a little mask for your lips. I don't know what it's supposed to do. Let me read. Melts in hydration, gentle exfoliation, apply to lips daily and smile. I like that. That is cute. And this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. Still has that pretty iridescent on the like label part. And it just has like a little applicator like such. I got too much stuff on my lips, so I'm gonna have to give this a try some other time. Is this gonna be like a lip heavy bag? 2 lip items right off the bat. The next thing is by ColourPop, which I actually ordered a mystery ColourPop box. So I'm gonna be filming that for you guys whenever it shows up. But I'm very excited for that. Every time I go to get a mystery ColourPop box, it's always like sold out. This is from ColourPop and it's called So Juicy. So juicy. And this is a plumping gloss. I guess this entire bag is just for your lips. Ooh, maybe they knew I had crusties and they were like, you know what? We gonna just fix this box just for her and make sure we take care of her little crusties that she got on her lips. Ooh, I like this. It just says So Juicy and it's just like a cute little gloss. Regular little applicator right there. I can't tell if it smells like anything. Ooh. Don't know what the plumping is for. My lips are already like naturally plump, you know, cause I'm black girl. And the next item looks like a little pencil and it is by Cobb Cosmetics. So glad I didn't say cosmetics this time. But this is just by Cobb Bruh, I got through it without saying it, and then I said it. Cobb Cosmetics. Get into it. It is a limp. What? Why is my brain just not braining right now? It is a lip liner. At least that's what it looks like. So let's see if this little, bruh. What? That is so, okay. So I saw this off of Diaries, her channel, and she was like, girl, if you're struggling to get the little plastic off, all you gotta do is twist it. And lo and behold, it twisted and came right off. This is what it looks like. Has a nice little pencil tip like so. Ooh, it's very creamy. That is beautiful. I think that is beautiful, and it went on super smooth. So I know it's not gonna like irritate the lining of my lips. You know, like how you get a lip pencil and it's just so hard and it's very difficult to actually line your lips because it just feels like you're digging into your skin. This is super soft, so I didn't feel any digging when I was drawing this on my hand. I'm super excited. I'm gonna use this next time I do my makeup. Cobb Cosmetics be hitting. Once I saw that lip oil and that lip oil was popping, I just already knew that company don't play. And again, something for the lips. Let's see if this final item is also something for the lips. Let's see. This is by Earth Harbor and it's called Glow Juice. And it is a refining enzyme mask with red seaweed fruit enzymes. This box is super freaking adorable. Ooh, okay, I like this. And this is just the cutest thing ever. It's just like a nice, oh wow, it's like a jelly in there. Okay, look at this. Oh wait, I don't want it to spill out, but it's just like jelly. It smells kind of alcoholic though. Alcoholic. It smells like an alcoholic beverage. I'll just say that. Now, what is this supposed to actually do? A purple paradise. This powerful, fast-acting AHA BHA gel mask naturally resurfaces, cools, hydrates, firm skin with red seaweed, fruit enzymes, white willow bark, and aloe leaf juice. To reveal greater clarity, look for improved skin texture and tone and a more youthful glow, all without irritating your skin. I will definitely give this a try. I just can't get over that little jiggle that's going on in there. That is just so fun. That is everything in my Ipsy mystery big old bag. Honestly, I liked all the stuff. See, this one didn't have no hand cream in it, so I was very happy about that. But it was just like an overload of lip products, like just lip after lip after lip after lip, and then you get jelly. I enjoyed this bag. Actually, I enjoyed both bags. If you like this content, you already know what to do. Like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe to become a Faye Bae. And I will see y'all with the next one. Deuces.